Push the steering wheel paddle to the left and hold for 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. Scroll up or down with the wheel to adjust the settings, and push left for 3 seconds again to exit. Next, let's go through the entire installation process. First, get all your parts ready. On the passenger side, pull off the weather strip, pop off the side trim, and remove the clip. Then take off the panel next to the passenger seat. Grab the new harness, plug one end into the factory slot. Unplug the stock connector and snap it into the other end of the new harness. Once it's connected, tuck all the wires neatly out of sight. Next, remove the long trim piece above the dashboard. Feed a fish tape or pull wire through the hole under the trim to the passenger side panel. Tape it to the other end of the new harness and pull the wire up through the dash. Keep threading it through the next opening, then another, until you can run it down toward the steering wheel area. For this step, you'll need to drop the lower steering column panel. Now the pull wire should come out underneath, disconnected from the harness. Take off the cover on the steering wheel. Run the pull wire through the hole in the cover, down to the bottom of the steering column. Attach the black end of the new harness to the pull wire. Then pull it through from underneath to bring the black connector down. Connect the two harness ends you just pulled through. Now, grab the new stock kit and connect it to the harness end you left on top of the steering wheel. Mount the stock kit in place. Finally, snap the lower steering column panel back on. Reinstall the passenger side panel. Clip everything back in, put the trim and weather strip back, and snap the dashboard trim back on. That's it, the install is done.